I have seen many people asking around how to import Vector into Krita. Although you cannot directly import a Vector file, I have discovered a workaround. I am using Illustrator, but in theory, any Vector software able to save to SVG should work. Firstly, from your Vector program, export or save your graphic as an SVG. Then open Krita and create a new file as I have, or use any file you wish to add the Vector file to. Select File, Open, and open your SVG file into Krita. Do not import. Krita will then ask you to select your preferred resolution. Leave it as 100. Once your file has opened, with your cursor tool, select the vector and copy it. Not your selection tool, as this will copy it as a paint layer. Go to the page in which you wish to use your vector, and on the Layers panel, create a new vector layer and paste it in. You can now scale the vector to your desired size. If you wish to use it as a paint layer, simply right-click on the layer and select Convert to.